Okay, first and foremost, I have to say that I can connect to things through an auxiliary jack or through Bluetooth. So this is just first take of all channels available currently on the saxophone. I have the app, and I can also connect to a speaker or other source. Thank you. Okay, here we go. I'm running off battery as well. Okay, we're gonna go off of slightly under max. Here, I'll do 14. 14? 13 or 14? I'll go down to 12. Let's just start at 12. Okay, 12, A1. Here, we're starting on A's. Oh, hold on, sorry. A1. Hold on, bud. Hold on. A2. A3. A4. A5. A6. A7. A8. A9. A10. A11. A12. A13. A14. A15. A16. A17. There it is. That was A's. Here's a preview. Next is S1. S1. Five minutes.